Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In this video, we'll explore 11 amazing freelance jobs for beginners that can help you earn extra income, launch a full-time gig, or even start your own business. Some of these might surprise you, so stick around to find the perfect opportunity for your goals. Let's dive in. What it is. A beta reader provides feedback on manuscripts or books before they're published. Why it's great. Authors often seek input from average readers, not just literary experts. Earnings, around $20 an hour or more as a freelancer. Best platforms, guru.com, upwork.com, score, 810. What it is. Analyze color trends and guide industries like fashion, design, and cosmetics. Why it's unique. A keen sense of fashion is a must, but it's a niche role with strong demand. Earnings, $48,000, $72,000 a year, even more as a freelancer. Best. For those passionate about aesthetics. Score, 7/10. What it is. Offer personalized advice on hairstyles based on face shape and style preferences. Why it's popular. People value tailored advice to improve their appearance. Earnings. Varies widely. Significant potential for 6 figures when consulting one-on-one. Best platforms, freelance gigs or private consulting. Score, 7/10. What it is. Summarize podcast episodes with key topics, highlights, and links. Why it's needed. Helps podcasts rank higher on search engines. Earnings, $25–50 an hour as a freelancer. Secret weapon. Tools like Descript can handle most of the work. Score, 8/10. What it is. Teach and coach others in video games or chess. Why it's lucrative. Gaming is booming, with a rising demand for esports coaching. Earnings, $15–18 an hour initially. Potential to scale with freelancing or content creation. Inspiration. Gotham. Chess reportedly earns $5–10 annually. Score, 8.5/10. What it is. Write optimized content to help websites rank higher on search engines. Why it's valuable. Highly sought-after skill for blogs and online businesses. Earnings, $52,000, $81,000 a year. Freelancers earn $15–35 an hour. Pro tip. Specialize in a niche like finance or tech for higher rates. Score, 9/10. What it is. Conduct internet research to gather leads or analyze data. Why it's fun. Think of it as digital detective work. Earnings, $113,000 a year for top freelancers. Best platforms, Upwork, Guru. Score, 8.5/10. What it is. Review and refine written content. Why it's accessible. Ideal for English speakers or bilingual individuals. Earnings, $51,000, $80,000 a year. Freelancers earn $1.35 an hour. Best platforms, proofreadingservices.com, FlexJobs. Score, 7.5/10. What it is. Provide voiceovers for videos, ads, or animations. Why it's creative. It's perfect for those with distinctive voices. Earnings, $57,000, $115,000 a year with potential for growth. Challenge. Requires quality audio equipment and technical skills. Score, 8.5/10. What it is. Help businesses and accountants manage financial records. Why it's practical. Seasonal demand during tax season. Earnings, $48,000, $71,000 a year, more during tax season. Best platforms, Upwork, Freelancer. Score, 9/10. What it is. Manage and grow a brand's social media presence. Why it's hot. The creator economy is booming, and content is king. Earnings, $64,000 a year or significantly higher as a freelancer. Pro tip. Specialize in platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Score, 9.5/10. Freelancing offers endless opportunities in 2025. Whether you're looking for side income, a full-time career, or the chance to be your own boss. From beta reading to social media management, these 11 freelance jobs provide a variety of paths to success. Choose what resonates with your skills and interests, and take the first step toward financial freedom.